welcome back. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Yes, we got 2 videos today, so I hope you are ready. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are unboxing the June 2019 Smartass and Sass. So I do want to say that there may be some snarky language when I unbox this, because I mean, just from the name of the box, Smartass and Sass, you never know what's going to be in here. So just to let you know that that may occur in this video. So if it's not something you're into, you may want to go ahead and X out. If you don't mind, then continue to watch, please. So Smartass and Sass is a monthly subscription. Who would have thought? So you can actually get 3 different levels of this subscription. You can get just a t-shirt, which is $15.95. You can get just like a box of their goodies, which I believe is like $34.95. And then you can get the whole shebang, which is the shirt and the goodies, for $49.95. They do charge shipping. I get just the box of goodies. I don't do the t-shirt. And this, like I said, I believe is $34.95. I paid for 3 months in advance, so with the shipping and everything, I don't remember exactly what it broke down to. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, and I will put a code down below, new Sass, which will get you 15% off if you would like to sign up. It is a fun subscription. Now, I am going to say that as of right now, I probably will not renew my subscription. Like I said, I prepaid for 3 months. This is my 3rd month. And for now, I think I may step back and try something else. It's been fun. It's been great. It's been a lot of laughs. But I think that for me, I want to try something else. So I'm definitely still a huge fan of this subscription. It's nothing against the subscription itself. I think that they are fantastic. Excuse me. And it, like I said, I laugh every time. I love it. It's just, it is a little bit on the pricier side. So I kind of wanted to see about maybe trying to find something to replace this for a few months, and then maybe bring this back later in the year. So I do love the sayings on this box. Well-behaved women seldom make history, Laurel Thatcher Ulrich. And you guys, that is so true. And then obviously classy, sassy, and a bit smart-assy. And then on the bottom, where like the address label is, it says, drop it like it's hot, but not literally, it's fragile. So this is the June 2019 Smartass and Sass. So let's get in here. They do always give you a clue to next month, which is fun. Now, like I said, obviously, I'm not going to be getting next month, but I'll go ahead and give you guys the clue. And like I said, it's nothing against Smartass and Sass. I absolutely love the subscription. Like I said, it's just a little on the pricey end, so I'm going to find something else to bring to my channel to show you guys, because this has been on here for now 3 months. Don't forget, we do have the 2 giveaways going on. They will be linked down below, and they are both 4th of July giveaways. We have our Luxury Divas giveaway and our Thrift Bag giveaway. They do end on the 28th and 29th, so you definitely have time to go ahead and get entered. Also, we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. I am waiting on 1 item to arrive, so once that comes, you will see that giveaway coming as well. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. We would love to have you join us. It's always a great time. Unboxings, lives, giveaways, who knows what. So let's get in here. I have babbled enough. And I tend to do that, so sorry. So when we open it, this is what we see. So on the front here, Smartass and Sass, here comes trouble. So that is our theme for June 2019. And when you open this, it will kind of tell you everything that is in the box plus pricing, which I do like. So that I do really appreciate. And okay, trying not to like look at the stuff. July's theme is For Fox's Sake. Next month we're pulling out all the puns. Sip, sip, hooray. July's goodies are focused on being subtly snarky. So right there, for fuck's sake. All right, so we'll set that to the side for a moment. And we have this one item here on top, and then a bunch of other goodies buried under pink squigglies. So we'll start with this guy, if I can get it open. This says, okay, so I'm sure we've all heard of resting bitch face, right? So this says, get the cardboard out. You should see my active bitch face. And it is on both sides. This actually feels very nice. It is canvas, and then it does have the pull tab here. The inside is canvas as well, and it's just white, but it feels thick, and it does feel like a really good bag. Says you are holding your new favorite little bag. So yeah, you should see my active bitch face. And active bitch face pouch from Emily McDowell and Friends. Now your resting bitch face can pull out your active bitch face anytime you want. This colorful pouch is 100% cotton with cotton lining, has a clasped gold zip, and is printed on both sides. Watch out, world. $16 value. That's funny. All right, so I thought this was wet. I was like, what is wet in here? So this is, it says, "Here comes trouble." Did y'all see that? It looked like, I was like, there's something wet in here. It's Monday. "Here comes trouble" shot glass from Smartass and Sass. Sorry. It's the size of the shot glass. This oversized 3-ounce shot glass is perfect for getting into trouble with your favorite liquor or condiment. It's got a matte glaze with luster mist to keep you looking classy. And this bad boy is top rack dishwasher safe. This is $8. And again, this is from Smartass and Sass. So, yep, that is a rather large shot glass. I do believe the regular shot glasses are 1 ounce. So this is like 3 times that amount. So, I can definitely say, yes, here comes trouble if I have a few of these shots. So there's that. And then let's see. Trying to like get the squigglies out so I can show you guys. There we go. Much better. Now I don't have to dig through squigglies. All right. So now this is one thing I do really like about this subscription. They include every month a little notepad, and these are actual Post-it brand notepads. Get that off. And they always have something funny on them. So, but again, you can see they are actually Post-it brand. I don't take orders. I barely take suggestions. So that is cute. I don't take orders. Sticky notes from Smartass and Sass. Keep track of your to-dos and remind everyone that suggestions will be taken into consideration. Maybe. Printed on Post-it brand 3x3. Includes 50 sheets and it's a $3 value. Like I said, and I do believe they include one of these every month. So that is super awesome. It's always fun to have Post-its. We need them. Go through them, and it's always fun to have cute ones. All right, so the next thing I see is some washi tape. Now, I don't know what in the world you would use this washi tape for. I'm just being honest. Middle finger washi tape from Unblushing. So you can see, and it says, sometimes you just need your trusty middle finger to do the talking for you. This washi tape is for telling any task or any coworker to write off. $4.50. But yeah, as far as crafting, I don't know what I would use this for. But I mean, I guess if you have a project at work and you need to tell someone to off, then there you go. All right, so then we have a pin set, demotivational pin set from Fun Club. Oh goodness, this an amazing set of 5 pins with demotivational sayings to motivate all your coworkers. You've already peaked. Everyone's judging you. You're for sure getting fired. That idea is garbage, and your face is weird. It says, for the losers in your life. They are all black ballpoint pins, it says here on the back. This is a $10.50 value. That's what I mean. I definitely do think this subscription is hilarious. I get tons of laughs out of it. And I mean, you can use a pin, you know, you can use Post-its. It's not that the items aren't things you can use. We could always use a cosmetic bag. It's just, I want to try something different, bring something else to the channel. So, and then we have Smartass Sass, Unapologetically Me. Perfume roll-on in partnership with Scented Studio. So we have a little roll-on right here. Let's see. Unapologetically Me roll-on. We partnered with Scented Studio again to create a custom sassy scent for subscribers. This blend has Sweet Rain, Arabian Sandalwood, Luscious Orange Blossom, and Desire oils. And the 5mm bottle is perfect for tossing in your bag. $6.95. Let's give her a sniff. Oh, I'm usually not into rollerballs, but oh my gosh, that smells so good. Like, y'all, that smells really good. That smells so good. Okay. Wow, that smells amazing. Like, I love that so much. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we still have one more item in here. And this, my friends, looks like a journal. I have got pink squigglies all over me. Is this a journal? It is. The texture, this feels, I can't figure out what this is made of, but it feels interesting. I can't talk. Underestimate me. That'll be fun. It's like embossed in here. All right. Underestimate Me journal from Smartass Sass. Go ahead, try it. That'll be fun. This sassy journal is 5.5 by 8.5, 8.25 inches, and it's totally decked out with a ribbon bookmark, elastic closure, and accordion pocket for your favorite stickies. The cover is faux leather, and you've got 80 lined pages to jot down your shit list. Okay, so yeah, I was like, I can't figure out if this is like rubber or what, but it's faux leather. So I did see here it does have like the bookmark, and we can see here on the back that it does have, and I do like when journals have this where you can snap that on there. And then lined pages, and it said a pocket. Yep, there is like a pocket back here in the back, so you can put things in there. So that is nice. Being that actually doesn't have like any cursing on it, I may give this to Christopher. He is really into like doodling and drawing things, so I have tons of journals. He's going through them like wildfire. So this will probably go to him because it's like the only thing in here that could besides the perfume. And he doesn't wear perfume, obviously. Plus it smells too good. I'm keeping it. All right. So again, to recap, we got this journal right here, which says underestimate me. That'll be fun. My talking skills. So anyway, so we got the journal, which we did get pins with. Now I don't think I'm going to give any of these pins to Christopher, but these are nice to have. My husband will probably take some of these. Some of the guys he works with will probably get a kick out of this. So though he can have those. Again, this washi tape, I don't really know what I would do with, but you never know. Then we have the Post-it. I don't take orders. I barely take suggestions, which is totally true. The 3-ounce shot glass. Here comes trouble. This amazing smelling, y'all, I mean, like, seriously amazing smelling. One of the best things I think I've ever smelled, perfume-wise. Seriously, like, this smells fantastic. Like, I wish this bottle was ginormous. Unapologetically me. This just smells so good. And then we had the, you should see my active bitch face, little pouch here. So that was everything for the June 2019 Smartass and Sass. Like I said, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, and that code NEWSASS that saves you 15%. So like I said, for now, this will be the last time this subscription is on my channel for a few months. We'll probably pick it back up maybe in, 3 or 4 months, something like that. Just want to bring something new. If you have any suggestions of something you would like to see, please let me know down below. I'd love to bring you boxes you would love to see. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.